Welcome to this guide on why use Afterpay Shopify integration. As an online store owner, you are constantly looking for ways to increase sales and improve customer satisfaction. One effective way to achieve this is by offering flexible payment options to your customers. This is where Afterpay comes in, a popular buy now pay later service that allows customers to pay for their purchases in installments. The Afterpay Shopify integration is a game changer for online stores. It allows you to offer your customers the option to pay for their purchases in 4 interest-free installments. This can lead to a significant increase in sales, as customers are more likely to make a purchase if they can pay for it over time. To get started with the Afterpay Shopify integration, you will need to sign up for an Afterpay account and install the Afterpay app in your Shopify store. Once you have done this, you will need to configure the app to work with your store. This includes setting up the payment options and customizing the look and feel of the Afterpay payment option on your site. One of the key benefits of using the Afterpay Shopify integration is that it can help to increase average order value. By offering customers the option to pay for their purchases in installments, you can encourage them to buy more from your store. Additionally, the integration can help to reduce cart abandonment rates, as customers are more likely to complete their purchase if they can pay for it over time. Another benefit of the Afterpay Shopify integration is that it can help to improve customer satisfaction. By offering flexible payment options, you can make your store more appealing to a wider range of customers. This can lead to increased customer loyalty and positive word of mouth. In terms of best practices, it is a good idea to clearly communicate the terms and conditions of the Afterpay payment option to your customers. This includes the interest-free period and any fees that may be associated with late payments. You should also make sure that the Afterpay payment option is clearly visible on your site and easy to use. In conclusion, the Afterpay Shopify integration is a powerful tool for online store owners. By offering flexible payment options, you can increase sales and improve customer satisfaction. With its easy-to-use interface and customizable payment options, the Afterpay Shopify integration is a must-have for any online store.